Thanks for having me on.
What's your reaction to the president's nomination of Brett Kavanaugh?
I'm a little sort of stunned at the way this is all played out. If you look at the entire list of 20 or so people that he had on, the one person the president could find on that list that would be most assured to rule in his favor, should many of the things you're describing come before the Supreme Court, is this judge. He picked the one guy who has specifically written that a president, in fact, should not be the subject of a criminal investigation, which the president is right now. So this seems to be, of all the people, the most self-serving person he could choose in order to protect himself from this criminal investigation.
CNN reported earlier this evening that factor about Judge Kavanaugh, his writings on whether a president can be indicted, about a president's potential susceptibility to obstruction of justice charges, that those writings by Judge Kavanaugh were overtly considered and reviewed by the White House team that was advising the president on making this pick. If that's true, if it turns out that the president chose Judge Kavanaugh for this nomination, in part on the basis of what he said about whether President Trump conceivably could be indicted, would that itself be a factor for confirmation here? Would that be disqualifying in your mind?
Well, first of all, I have no doubt that this president, who seems to be very concerned about himself, didn't see that as a shining pearl within the picks that he had and the criteria that he looked at. But I've been saying emphatically before this, and now I will be saying with even stronger voice, that we as United States Senate, forget partisanship or what have you, if a respect for the Constitution, to avoid a constitutional crisis, we cannot let this confirmation process go forward, especially now that we have someone that has clearly said that they have a strong opinion should any of those issues come before the Supreme Court. We know now that the ideas that you said are not settled law. Whether the president can pardon himself, whether the president can just dispense with a criminal investigation. A lot of these issues could come right before that justice that now he is 100% certain will have his back.